First we have here is some biochar. We'll throw that in there for our compost tea. I have to put a little more in that. In here before was cucumbers. Nice loose soil. And just right there. Out of the garden, Norman. He eats the compost, and that makes him sick and have seizures because he has a seizure disorder. This is how our romaine lettuce is doing that we just planted 3 days ago. Compost tea and probably some biochar. Kind of crazy that I have to tie up tomatoes this time of year, but these started later because they're the suckers of my original tomatoes. I'm not going to complain. It works here in Tennessee. I'm going to have to staple this down. Okay. And now for future use, I have a drippy compost tea over here. It's dripping ever so slowly, and I can't get it to stop, so I'm going to use it to my advantage and just put my bucket under here. And when that's full, I'll put it on the garden. This bucket will be in line for that one. And this will be bucket number 3. Okay guys, I have developed a new grow area in the house so I can keep track of things a lot better. Hopefully this works. So far so good. I remembered to turn off the lights. I had them in the shop and I was forgetting to turn off the lights. Out of sight, out of mind. That's how my brain works, unfortunately. So let me show you what's going on. We have broccoli, and those are all come up. Cabbage I just planted, so it hasn't come up yet. More broccoli, cauliflower, and then back there is cilantro, hasn't come up. And then I just did this. This is some more lettuce, and I'm gonna try some onions this winter and see how they do in overwinter them. And then this over here is some more cauliflower. This is an old seed from Baker Creek that I had that I thought I'd just toss in. And I might go ahead and get another frame. As soon as some of this goes out, I'm gonna go ahead and start some more cabbage. or if the cilantro doesn't plant more cabbage. So there you go. We got seeds going outside, seeds going inside. As soon as it cools down a little bit, we're going to plant our carrots, which we have over here. So, carrots go to seed in the second year, so I've left some carrots in the ground and they went to seed, and you get these little heads from them. Plant those in the ground probably the end of the month. Easy to do. There's going to be a lot of chaff, a lot of extra. So far, so good. That is all carrot seed right there, guys. You would probably spend $20 right there. And all I did was let some carrots go to seed. Carrots are hard to space, so keeping that other stuff in there is just organic matter. So I'm going to go ahead and leave it in there. I will kind of, there's all kinds of little bugs and stuff. I will kind of go like this, but that will help me space my carrots a little better when I put them in the ground. So I'm going to go ahead and leave that just like so. It's free. So once you buy some carrot seeds, let at least one, go to seed, and you'll have seed for a long time. Especially if it's your favorite kind of carrot that you're having a hard time finding. There is my pile of carrot seed. Look at that. From that to that. All right, you guys, so what I did is I just wired them together with some gardening wire, and then I put rocks all around the bottom. I don't think the rabbits can get in there. So excited about that. Unless they trellis underneath, which they can do. But maybe this will just be a deterrent enough. There's a lot of other things to eat to keep the rabbits out. And so that might be my new green bean bed, and we'll just do green beans after green beans in that bed from now on. Hardware cloth or chicken wire to go around them all in the front of the garden here. So that's what I'm looking forward to, and so we can get more growing and not lose as many green beans as we did this year. I think we went through 4 packages so far, well, maybe 5 packages of green beans, and most of them got eaten by rabbits. So I think we've enjoyed 2 handfuls out of that. So there you go. So hopefully, I wish I had done that around this package, and I might still do that if I grow another. I definitely next year will do that. So still got a lot of cleanup to do in the garden. It's never ending. It's going to rain for 3 days, so I'm just doing a lot of lawn mowing and getting a lot of weeds taken care of today. I already did most of that, but I think it's time to go in now. I'll show you what I did. Got to get the weeds around here yet. But I mowed this whole area today, and I'm trying to keep trees and things that are native and letting them grow. And I might have to put a trellis over here for this passion flower right here. So we are trying to let some native things grow. That's a native tree. That is as well, but I just haven't cut that down because it's too close to the house. We will cut that down. All of these weeds will go. This is what I need to weed eat yet, but I mowed all along here where it's nice. And I thought I'd show you as well. Our 2 baby roosters got out, and so they are exploring. They are not welcomed by the flock, so the flock's keeping them on the outside, and maybe I can catch them. Nope. Maybe if I put some food and water in there, I'll catch them in there. Right? You guys enjoying your mud bath? It looks like it. It looks like it. Hi, Reba. Hi, Reba. How are you? Yeah. Reba. Okay, you guys. Thank you for coming along with me today. God bless, and we'll see you next time here on Hedgehog's Homestead.